Good afternoon, guys. I am currently in Weishan. Weishan is 70 kilometers south of Dali, and it's not as famous as Dali, Lijiang, or Shangri-La. It is enjoying a great culture, a long history, and all that kind of stuff. So I flew from Kunming to Dali, and then from Dali I took a local bus, an hour and a half bus to Weishan. The main reason why I'm here is actually I'm going to Donglianhua village. It's a preserved Muslim village. It is such a beautiful afternoon, clear sky. So this part is made of rice as well as transparent one, jelly. The brown soup tastes like rice jelly.
Always gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you. You just know it is true. Where are we now?
I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Good morning from Weishan. Very heavy for a breakfast in the morning. The food wasn't so great as I expected.
Yeah, 米糕，清粉米糕。哎呀，
这是新疆啊，不跟妈妈要江。
In China for a year, I've never actually seen a tuk-tuk like that. So 谢谢啊，拜拜。So I am currently, oh my god, I'm currently in a Chinese tuk-tuk. I just left the guest house to go to Preserve Muslim Village. They say that I have to take a bus, and I'm paying the lady to take me to the bus station. The first time in my entire time in China that I actually take tuk-tuk.
What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground. I am in the summer sky. I am hearing all the lies. Don't turn your back on me. I'm here for you. I'll light your fire as the cold comes through. You'll be my passenger and I'll break through.
So I am currently in a, it's not so much of a bus, it's a car, rented car. To me, I've been in this kind of situation before. It's not as scary as other places that I've been to or as dodgy. So I have just arrived to Donglianhua village. It's a preserved Muslim village located quite secluded 35 kilometers from Dali. There was no official transport. Donglianhua village belongs to a Muslim This is definitely not a famous tourist destination. Ah, look. Wei ni hao. I have asked for the master of the house to cook me a special dish. 我的国家是吧？印度尼西亚，印尼。
拿出来，炒了点。那个别炒。
So these are Muslim who are practicing. I just asked if they are fasting, and they say that they are fasting, which means they are not eating and drinking during the day. They are eating during the breakfast because it's summer. So that happens around 8 p.m. 你可以吃饭8点是吧? Yeah, at 8 p.m. they can eat. And before all of you are asking why I'm not fasting, as a woman, there are times when we get our period, so we don't have to fast.
辣椒会吃吗？会吃啊。
我喜欢辣。
你一个人来玩今天才来到这里吗？
对。 vegetable right here. Also my spicy beef with some vegetable underneath. So I will try to stay until the iftar time, which means the breakfasting time, around 8 p.m. It's 4:30 now.
这个你会吃吗？咸菜，
小弟弟，
哦，尝一下吧。
听我给尝尝
再，给你一点。
会不会吃？会吃呢？这好。
是吧？
很好吃呀。
Because my wife is Thai and we're based in Bangkok, we're based in Thailand, is that the family who owns this property in this courtyard.
I am showing them the Mark Wynn's video that was actually recorded here, and
We're in the kitchen now.
they're like excited. Oh yeah, that's right, it's here.
很多人过来是不是？美国人、澳大利亚人，
对，
然后哪里人？
还有荷兰的，还有法国的。
老外喜欢不喜欢吃辣？
老外挺喜欢来我家吃饭。
老外，这个是你的爸爸是不是？
这个是
是老公。
老公，
对。
老公英语是 husband， 你说
husband
是啊。
拜拜。
你说过来，你们过来，欢迎欢迎。
过来，欢迎欢迎。
Come here.
Come here.
The husband of the lady actually lived in Chiang Mai for many years, I think around 6 years, and he said that he missed living in Chiang Mai. Alright guys, so it's 30 minutes to 8 p.m. I've been waiting and waiting. I'll shoot so that you can definitely see how's the environment, what's the atmosphere and everything like that. So I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and see you again next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
أحط على طعام المسكين أكبر
去跟我们吃饭。不是你我。
你们哭了吧？你们哭？你们爱什么名字？多少这些？
拜拜，谢谢你。